And that kind of brings us on to the next topic, which is the wallet. So at sign up, you will get a certain amount of credit added to your wallet balance. For existing subscribers, all of your existing message credits will be converted at a rate of 0.003 cents per message credit. So for example, if you have about 500,000 message credits, your initial wallet balance will be 1,500 bucks. In addition to this, for existing subscribers, we are offering an additional $1,000 added to your wallet balance on us as long as you talk with one of our team members about this update. And that's the link that's in the chat below. So if you schedule a meeting with Drew using the link in the chat, you will get $1,000 added on top of your whatever this conversion is. And this is a thank you to all of our existing subscribers. You will also get an additional 1,000,000 characters added to your storage balance as well. Really trying to make this advantageous for all of our existing subscribers. So the wallet replaces the old message credit system, like I mentioned, and it's replacing it with a simplified cost per message. So now GPT 3. Any AI agent that is using GPT 3.5 is going to be 0.005 cents per message. 4.0 is 2 cents per message, and 4 Turbo is, and we recommend that everyone uses the GPT 4.0 model. That's the most powerful and the most affordable. Now, if you're on the new full SaaS mode plan, you can enable your own API key, and that will avoid this cost altogether. You'll be billed by OpenAI directly based on your usage, and that basically comes down to how the length of the user's query, the length of the AI's response, how much information's in the knowledge base, the length of the prompt. Like all of these things come into play when OpenAI is billing directly. So when you have your average cost per message, it might be quite a lot less than these costs. So the advantage, especially for people that are using long responses for their API key, will be very beneficial. Now the wallet is maintained by the credit card that you use to sign up. That is connected with Stripe. Credit card details are never stored on Stammer's server ever, neither for agencies nor for any of your client sub accounts. Everything is done through Stripe, and we just ping the Stripe API and are able to use the Stripe API to bill credit card directly. The credit card is only charged in 2 scenarios. When you sign up for a monthly subscription fee, which is one of these plans, and the second is when you need to add additional funds to your wallet. And that can be done manually, or that can be done through auto billing, which I'll show in a minute through a demo. The idea here is you can control everything down to the dollar of how you want to have your agency be set up and how your clients interact with your version of Stammer, basically. All auto billing settings will be defaulted to 0. So your credit card will never be charged without you knowing or without you manually setting the auto billing settings. And this is directly because I'm a customer of this as well. I would hate to wake up one day and my credit card just be charged randomly for something I never thought. So your credit card will never be charged without you knowing. You have to set that, basically. You have to set those auto billing settings.